Top burner valve replacement. This procedure requires lifting the range top. Please refer to the lifting the range top video. This procedure also requires adjustment of the low flame. Please refer to the low flame adjustment video. This video is meant to be a representation only. Labor should be performed by a licensed and bonded gas plumber or service technician. Be sure to turn off the gas and electrical supply before performing work on the range. The tools required to replace the top burner valve are a Phillips screwdriver, a 16mm wrench, an 8mm wrench, a pair of needle nose pliers, and bubble leak testing fluid. Loosen and remove the thermocouple wire nut with the 8mm wrench. Loosen and remove the burner gas pipe with the 16mm wrench. Remove the 2 bolts on the valve mounting bracket with the Phillips screwdriver. Remove the knob off the valve stem. Pull the valve out to expose the ignition switch and C-clip. Remove the C-clip with the pair of pliers. The valve is now free to remove. Install the new valve onto the ignition switch. Lock the ignition switch onto the valve stem by reinstalling the C-clip. Mount the new valve into place using the bracket and the 2 Phillips bolts. Firmly tighten the 2 bolts with the Phillips screwdriver while ensuring the valve is kept level with the other valves. Reconnect the burner gas pipe to the valve using the 16mm wrench. Reconnect the thermocouple wire nut and tighten using the 8mm wrench. Test every gas pipe connection with the bubble fluid to check for leaks. Reinstall the burner knob onto the valve stem and reinstall the range top. Adjust the low flame setting if necessary. Please refer to the low flame adjustment video.